Switch it up the regular programming. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. Taki has been reported in New York. All residents need to stay in their homes. If Taki enters your home, use metal shields immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Keep the channel on for the dangerous situation. Do not open the door for everyone. It might be the murderer or Taki, so please beware. Do not also travel. If they are crying you to travel, call 911 immediately. During Taki's rampage, Marshal Mao has now decided to explode the city. All residents need to know, evacuate the houses. But no, you need to hide in the shelter immediately. From now on, stay in your homes and hide in the shelter immediately. Keep the channel on for more information.